Good day children, I hope you all will be safe in your home. Stay safe and be safe from COVID-19 and also from summer. See, it's too hot, so that what you want to do? Drink plenty of water, drink fresh juice and eat a healthy food like spinach, egg, fresh vegetables, fruits. Come back to school with good health. Okay, now we can enter to our subject. Today we are going to see 6th English Unit 1 Prose Sea Turtles. Again I am repeating 6th English Unit 1 Prose Sea Turtles. Children, are you heard the word turtles? Yeah, definitely we heard the word turtles, and some may be. You can see the turtles in the zoo and the reptile parks. But the turtles and the tortoise are same? No, definitely not. Turtles and the tortoise are definitely not same because they have more difference. Tortoise can able to live in the land and the water, both. It can live in the land and the water, but turtles cannot able to live in the land. It can mostly live a life in the water only. Then this lesson was written by Shekhar Dhatri. Shekhar Dhatri, he is a wildlife cinema photographer and also a wildlife article writer. He got many awards also. Then the lesson was divided into 3 sections. In first section we can see how many species of sea turtles in the world, and the second section we can see how they lay the eggs and the hatching, and the third section we can see how they facing the dangerous and how can we prevent from them. See, now let's go to the section first. Section first. There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world. Only 7 species of sea turtles in the world. World level la pathana only அரிய வகையான உயிரினங்கள்ல அரிய வகை உயிரினமான sea turtles 7 வகை மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். ஸ்பீஷியஸ்னா அரிய வகை உயிரினம். In India we can find 5 of them. நம்ம இந்தியா கடற்கரை பக்கத்துல 5, mostly இந்த 7 வகை உயிரினத்துல 5 வகை என்ன பண்ணலாம் நம்ம பார்த்துடலாம். அது என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா the Oliver Redley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtles, the loggerhead, the leatherback. Again I am repeating, the Oliver Redley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtles, the loggerhead and the leatherback. Among these 5, only the Oliver Redley we can mostly see in our Indian coastal area. இந்த 5 வகையில ஆலிவர் ரெட்லி தான் என்ன பண்ணலாம், இந்தியன் கோஸ்டல் ஏரியால வந்து அதிகமா பார்க்க போறோம். இந்த ஆலிவர் ரெட்லியை பத்தி தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், செக்ஷன் செகண்ட்ல பார்க்க போறோம். See section second, the Oliver Redley. In the Oliver Redley, between the month of January and March, female Oliver Redley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Between the month of January and March, female Oliver Redley come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Between the March time, January time and March time மட்டும் தான் என்ன பண்ணும், ஃபீமேல் ஆலிவர் ரெட்லி என்ன பண்ணும், நைட் டைம்ல தான், மோஸ்ட்லி நைட் டைம்ல தான் என்ன பண்ணும், முட்டையிறதுக்காக எக்ஸை லே பண்றதுக்காக கடற்கரை பக்கமா வரும். ஈச் டர்ட்டில்ஸ் லே அபவ் 100 eggs in the nest. ஒவ்வொரு டர்ட்டில்ஸும் நல்லா கவனிங்க, ஒவ்வொரு டர்ட்டில்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், 100க்கும் மேற்பட்ட முட்டைகளை, அப்ப எத்தனை முட்டைகள் இடும், இட் கேன் thousands of eggs they can lay. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. ஒவ்வொரு முட்டை எந்த சைஸ்ல இருக்குமா, table tennis ball. எல்லாருமே பார்த்துருவோம். Have you seen the table tennis ball? Yeah, definitely everyone will see the table tennis ball. ஒவ்வொரு முட்டையுமே எப்படி இருக்கும், table tennis ball அளவுக்கு இருக்கும். After they lay eggs, they close the nest with the sand. After they lay eggs, they close the nest with the sand and they return back to the sea. என்ன பண்ணுவோம், ஆலிவர் ரெட்லி sea turtles முட்டையிட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணும், அதோட முட்டைகளை தானே மண்ணை போட்டு மூடிட்டு மறுபடியும் என்ன பண்ணுமா, சீக்கு இம்மீடியட்டா ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணும். ஏன்னா அது அங்க அதால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், they cannot able to live in the sand, so only they return back to the sea immediately after they lay the eggs. These eggs hatch between 45 to 60 days. இந்த முட்டைகள்ல எத்தனை நாளுக்குள்ள hatching பண்ணும், hatchingனா give a birth to young one. 45 நாள்ல இருந்து 60 நாளுக்குள்ள என்ன பண்ணும், hatching பண்ணும். ஆனா இந்த முட்டைகள் எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணாது, it won't give a hatching because they face more dangerous because of the human being and the predators. Predators means what? Predator means வேட்டை மிருகங்கள் like jackals, pig, dog. இந்த மாதிரி ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, இந்த முட்டைகளை தனக்கு உணவாக்குறதுக்காக முட்டைகளை எடுத்துருவாங்க. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம இந்த predators jackal, pig, dogல என்ன பண்ணும், முட்டைகளை தேடி தனக்கு உணவா பயன்படுத்திக்கும். Next, section 3rd. Many of the baby turtles cannot easily reach to the sea. இந்த மாதிரி ஹேச்சிங் பண்ண பேபி டர்ட்டில்ஸ் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, ஈஸிலியா தன்னுடைய கடலுக்குள்ள போக முடியாது. ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் தே வில் ஃபேஸ் மோர் டேஞ்சரஸ், பிகாஸ் தே வில் ஃபால் அ ப்ரே டு predators. இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன sea turtles என்ன பண்ணும், வெயிட்லயும் சரி சைஸ்லயும் சரி சின்னதா இருக்கனால இந்த predators என்ன பண்ணும், பேர்ட் predators என்ன பண்ணும்னா தனக்கு உணவா அது என்ன பண்ணும், எடுத்துட்டு போய் சாப்பிட்றோம். அதுல இருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆகி சில sea turtles என்ன பண்ணும், சீக்கு ரீச் ஆகும். அங்க என்ன பண்ணும், sea predators பிக் ஃபிஷ். அந்த பிக் ஃபிஷ்ல என்ன பண்ணும்னா அங்க இருக்க அந்த டர்ட்டில்ஸ் வந்து சாப்பிடும். அதுல இருந்து தப்பிச்சு ஒரு சில டர்ட்டில்ஸ் escape from the sea predators hatchling will become adults. அங்கேருந்து எஸ்கேப் பண்ண ஒரு சில டர்ட்டில்ஸ் தான் என்னவாகும், அடல்ட்ஸா மாறும். அந்த அடல்ட்ஸா மாறின will fall prey to the predators. என்ன ஆகும், இந்த குட்டி sea turtles என்ன ஆகும், ஈஸிலியா அதோட சீக்குள்ள ரீச் ஆகும். ஏன்னா சின்னதா இருக்கிறதுனால பேர்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணும், தனக்கு உணவா எடுத்துக்கும். அந்த பேர்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆன sea turtles என்ன பண்ணும், கடலுக்குள்ள போகும். அங்க என்ன பண்ணும், sea predators தண்ணில வாழக்கூடிய predators பெரிய ஃபிஷ் என்ன பண்ணும், அந்த sea turtles தனக்கு உணவா எடுத்துக்கும். அந்த sea turtles அங்கேருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆன ஒரு சில sea turtles என்ன ஆகும், become adults. See, escape from the sea predators hatchling will become an adults. அந்த sea predators இருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆன sea turtles என்ன ஆகும், become adults. After they becoming an adult, they again return to the sea to lay the eggs. Adults can again reach to the land to lay the eggs. மறுபடியும் என்ன ஆகுது, அடல்ட்ஸ் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் மறுபடியும் எதுக்காக வருதா, ஒரே ஒரு தடவை தான் வரும். எதுக்கு, ஒன்லி டு லே த எக்ஸ், முட்டையிடறதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் வரும். வேற எந்த ஒரு காரணத்துக்காகவும் sea turtles லேண்டுக்கு வராது. சில்ட்ரன்ஸ், this kind of sea turtles are facing a more dangerous because of the human way, because we are polluting the water by throwing the waste garbage in the sea, plastic bottles and the plastic wrapper. Through this they are facing many dangers. Hereafter we should not pollute the water. We want to save the nature and also like the sea reptiles. Children, I hope this video will helpful for you, make use of it. Thank you.
Good day children, how are you? I am fine. How is your holidays? Good. Not only enjoying your holidays, you should be make useful work like reading skill and writing, good handwriting, and learn formulas and tables in your home. Now I am going to take about perimeter and area. We come across many situations in a day-to-day life which deals with shapes, their boundaries and surface. For example, wrapping the textbook and notebooks with brown sheets, a fence built around their land, and frame of a photograph. Some situations need to be handled tactfully and efficiently for arranging the things like carts, televisions, cupboards, tables, etc. in the proper place with the available space at home. Do you know perimeter and area? What is perimeter? The perimeter is the length of the boundaries of any closed figure is called its perimeter. Then area. What is area? Area is the measures of a surface of any closed occupied by any closed space is called area. Now we are learning some formulas. In this introduction, we understood perimeter and area of a closed shape, and then we will see how to calculate the perimeter and area of square, rectangle and then triangle and their closed combines. This is the formulas. Perimeter of the rectangle P equal to 2 into length plus breadth units. Perimeter of a square P equal to 4 into side units. Then perimeter of the triangle P equal to A plus B plus C. That means side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 units. Then perimeter of the shape with equal sides equal to number of sides into length of a side. Next, area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth units. Then area of a square A equal to side into side square units. Then area of a right angle triangle formula is 1 by 2 into length into base into height square units. So this formula based on we should make a sums. Do the sums. First one, listen. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle whose length is 6 meter and breadth is 4 meter. What is the given? Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle whose length is 6 meter and breadth is 4 meter. What is the given? We want to find perimeter and area of a rectangle. Given length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 meter. Given. What is given? Length. Length is 6 meter and breadth. Breadth is 4 meter. First of all, we want find perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle. So we know perimeter of a rectangle formula. Perimeter of the rectangle equal to, what is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth units. So what is the length is given? 6 meter. So write 2 into 6 plus breadth is 4. So now add these two numbers. 2 into 6 plus 4, 10. So multiply these two numbers. 2 into 10, 20. What is the units? Meter. So what is the perimeter of your rectangle is? 20 meter. Then perimeter of the rectangle is 20 meter. Then we need to find area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle formula is, we know area of the rectangle. What is the formula? Length into breadth square units. What is the formula? Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth square units. What is the length? 6 into breadth is 4 meter. So now multiply these two numbers. 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24 square units meter square. That's it. Do you understand this sums? And once again I repeat. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle whose length is 6 meter and breadth is 4 meter. We want find perimeter and area of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Then now substitute the values. Length is 6, breadth is 4. So add these two numbers. 6 plus 4, 10. Then multiply by 2. So 22 into 10, 20 meter. This is the perimeter of a rectangle. Then area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth square units. Length is 6 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So multiply these two numbers. 6 4s are 24 meter square. This is the area of a rectangle. Do you understand these sums? Next. Second sum. Listen. Find the perimeter and area of the square whose side is 8 centimeter. What is the given? square side is given. We want to find perimeter and area of the square. So what is the given? Side of a square is 8 centimeter. First of all, we want to find perimeter of a square. What is the formula of perimeter of a square? Formula is 4 into side. 4 into side units. So side is what is given? 8 centimeter. So multiple 4 into side is 8 centimeter. So multiple 4 to 8 are 32 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square equal to 32 centimeter. Next we want to find area of the square. So area of the square formula is, we know, area of the square formula is what? Side into side. Square units. This is the formula finding area of a square equal to side into side square units. So side is given how much? 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. So 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. This is the area of a square. So once again I repeat, find the perimeter and area of the square whose side is 8 centimeter. So what is the given? Side. Side is 8 centimeter. Then we want to find perimeter and area of the square. First, perimeter of the square equal to, formula is 4 into side units. So 4 into, what is the side is given? 8 centimeter. So multiple by 4. 8 4s are 32 centimeter. This is perimeter of the square. Next, area of the square equal to side into side. This is the formula. So side is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter. 8 8s are 64 centimeter square. This is the area of a square. The scalene triangle has 40 centimeter as its perimeter and whose two sides are 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find the third side. So we want to find the third side. What is the given? A scalene triangle perimeter. Perimeter of the scalene triangle is 40 centimeter and one of the side is 13. Then another one side is 15 centimeter. We need to find the third side. So what is given? Perimeter of the scalene triangle equal to 40 centimeter. So from the perimeter of the scalene triangle, so we find the third side. So formula is a plus b plus c equal to 40 centimeter. We know two sides. A equal to 13 centimeter and b equal to second side is 15 centimeter. C is we don't know, so we want to find. A equal to 13 centimeter plus 15 plus C is we want to find equal to 40 centimeter. So now add these two numbers, 13 plus 15, 28 plus C equal to 40 centimeter. Now C equal to 40 goes to next side, change into minus, 40 minus 28. So now 40 minus 28 is 12 centimeter. So third side is the third side of the equal to 12 centimeter. Do you understand? Once again I repeat, the scalene triangle has 40 centimeter as its perimeter and whose two sides are 13 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Find the third side. What is the given? One of the side A is 13 centimeter, B second side is 15 centimeter and third side is we want to find Next, perimeter of the scale and triangle equal to 40 centimeter. The formula of perimeter of a triangle equal to A plus B plus C equal to 40 centimeter. So, A is 13 plus B is 15 and C we want to find equal to 40. So, 13 plus 15, 28. C is don't know. So, C equal to 40 minus this 28 plus 20 is going to next side minus 28. So, C equal to 12 centimeter. The third side of the scale and triangle equal to 12 centimeter. Next sum, find the perimeter and the area of the following shape. So, one shape is given here. This is the like I am drawing one. So, some lines. So, we want to find the perimeter. First of all, perimeter. So, perimeter, what is perimeter? The total length of the boundaries of any closed shape is called perimeter. So, total length of the boundaries. So, total length of means all sides. Okay. So, now we know that some sides only. So, listen. This is like a square. So, square property is one side is equal to other sides. So, this is 4 means this also 4. That like this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. So, perimeter of the given shape. We want to find perimeter of the given shape equal to add the lengths. So, 4 plus how many 4s is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 4 plus 12 time add with 4 and or 4 into 12 equal to. So, 4 12s are 48 centimeter. So, perimeter of the given shape equal to 4 into 12 equal to 48 centimeter. Next, area of a given shape. Equal to. So, see the shape. This line, this is the square shape. Listen. So, how many squares in this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are here. Listen, first of all we want to find first one square area. So, area of a square formula is side into side. So, side into side into multiple by 5 because we have a 5 squares. So, side is what is given? 4 centimeter. 4 into 4 into 5 equal to 4 4s are 16 into 5 equal to 4 5s are 30 remaining 3 5 1 5 is 5 plus add 3 80 centimeter. So, this is the area of a given shape. Square of a side 2 centimeter is joined with a rectangle of a length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the combined shape. That means, listen, square oda side kuduthukanga. So, what is given? Side is 2 centimeter. Then, a rectangle oda length and breadth is given here. Length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. We have to join together. Okay. So, square, first of all drawing. This side is 2 centimeter. Then, rectangle. Next shape, rectangle. This length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So, listen, we want to find the perimeter of the combined shape. So, find the perimeter. Perimeter we have all sides. So, we know that 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter because square has a 4 side. All sides are equal. So, this is 2 means this also 2. Then, here breadth is 10 centimeter is given. So, 2 centimeter is square side. Then, another 8 centimeter is 4 split by 2. Okay, 4 and 4. So all sides are have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 15 plus 10 plus. This all opposite sides are equal. So perimeter of a combined shape equal to, so add the all length, okay, all sides of the length. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15 plus 4 centimeter. So add these numbers. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 12, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 15 25, 35, 40, 40, 50, 45, 49. 2 plus 2 4, 6, 10, 25, 35, 40, 50, 54 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of the combined shape is 54 centimeter. So once again repeat, a square of side is 2 centimeter is joined with a rectangle of length 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. We need find the perimeter of the combined shape. So we first of all draw the square. Square sides is 2 centimeter. Then join together the rectangle. So rectangle length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So first of all find the perimeter. Perimeter equal to add the all length. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 15 plus 10 plus 15 plus 4 equal to 54 centimeter. Thank you children. We will see the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.